to me baby, कहाँ जा रही तू ये बता दे मुझे. You drive me crazy with your hot and cold, but you know that I'm cold, I'm cold. Gotta get a move along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button if you've not done it. So today it's gonna be a very short video, and I'm going to address one of the more sensitive topics, and it's not a rigorous topic or a topic where we need to update ourselves or learn something. It's just a topic which all of you would relate to, and it's just like my way of patting your back and saying all is well, all is okay. So this is about burnout, this is about being mentally stressed, this is about anxiety, this is about feeling that things are not happening the way it should happen and what to do then. So in your preparation for MBA, for your B school, for your dream B schools, right from your CAT preparation till you convert, get that result saying that, say example, IIM Ahmedabad, accept your application, welcome to IIM Ahmedabad. Till that stage, that gap of 1, 2, 3, how many years it might go, it's not gonna be easy, my friend. It's gonna be one definite journey to remember. And although I've not gone on the other side totally yet, I'm ready to embark on my B school journey very soon. But one thing what I'd like to tell you is, guys, stay glued to the process. Please stay glued to the process. There will be times where you feel it's not happening the way I want, I'm not getting results. You might be taking mocks, you might be feeling I'm not getting the score I need, or you might be giving interviews, 2-3 interviews might not go your way. They might ask you questions you're not sure of, or you might ace all your interviews but results might take forever to come. But no matter what, please stay glued to the process, because in the end all of this is going to be worth it. Take it down. See, it's obviously, think of it that you're on this side of the bank and this is your destination, and here there's a river. See, it's obviously just about how long do we take to cross this river, but eventually we will reach the destination. That needs to be fixed in our mind, because as long as you see the process, the river, the swimming process, the process of crossing, it's gonna feel tough. But if you just see the destination, what lies ahead of you, it won't feel tough, because even a small step will make you feel that your destination is closer. Every time you look at your destination, you think it's closer, you will be sticking to the process, you'll be glued to the process. So times where you might feel that things are not going is just some months before the CAT, where you feel that you have portions to complete, your marks are not going your way. But please try and understand what your strengths are. Build on your strengths. You need to just understand what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are. And in the exam, you need to go with the mindset of attempting all your strengths. The worst thing which can happen is going wrong in your strengths. Because it's not an exam, it's not a guesstimate, it's not an exam of guessing. It's about accuracy, as I always tell. So just make sure that you are going to back your strengths. The next stage, before CAT results, that 1-2 months, 1 month, 1.5 months, like what might happen, how much might I get? It's all because it's not a percentage, it's a percentile. See, our marks is calculated based on the best performer in India. So it's a percentage of the percentile of the highest scorer. So the highest scorer in India gets 100 percentile, and your score is a percentage of his percentile. So there are many undeterminable factors. अपना क्या है, give our best, attempt say 10 questions in all the 3 sections, pakka 90% plus. You will land up around 95 to 97. 10 questions each section, 95 to 98, write it down. And anything beyond that, you don't aim for 99 and write that I need to get 14 questions, 15 questions right in each section, because that will make you overdo yourself and give more attempts, which might be wrong and you might get lesser. So go with the aim of 10, and anything bonus is a more percentile for you. This strategy is what I thought. The next one is, after your results, the anxiety, as I told you, calm down. Tell you're going to get it. No matter how much you get, even though it got, there's only 2 things. See, my first manager ever used to always tell in my work that never worry, because see, if you think you're getting stressed about something, think of it this way. Ask yourself, do I have a solution to this? If yes, why worry? If you don't have a solution, if no, then why even worry when you know you don't have a solution? So relax. It's easier said than done, but see, you either get the marks of your threshold you expect and you get your dream B school, or you settle for one level below that, or you decide that you will give a reattempt. That's all. What else can be your possibility? Tell yourself that and go for it. You know your situation. The next is before your interview. So you will be anxious as to which college will call me at what percentile. Again, ultimately, if you are getting a call, your aim should be to convert it. And if you're not getting a call, you can't do anything about it. If you are so fixated and if you're so ambitious that you need that college, say I am Ahmedabad, you know what to do. Give another attempt. But can you afford that attempt? Ask yourself that. So there's no point of draining yourself. And one thing I tell you guys, never reject yourself. Let the IIMs reject you. Don't reject yourself. You can do it and you will do it. And once you get the call, done. You all might be into all these B school groups. You might see your Discords, your Reddits, your LinkedIns, your Twitters, different opinions saying that I got call, but is conversion possible at this percentile, composite score calculation, points for work experience, how much should I score to get into the conversion? No, don't get into all those maths. Leave it to the experts. The people, the college management, the admission committees who are calling you this far is sitting there because they know about it. They are experts. So let them do their job. You do your job. Your job, what? Giving your best in interviews, prepping for your interviews, going through your general knowledge, current affairs, your basic dossiers of your finance, marketing, your work experience, domain knowledge, your undergraduate knowledge. That is your job. Do that. Don't get into the mathematics of how much marks should I get to convert this thing, what is the maths, what is the percentage, probability. No, where you had to use all these quants before your CAT to achieve good score in quant, not after CAT, to calculate what you should get to get in. Your aim, conversion is possible at any stage if you have a call for interview. If they have called you for interview, it means they want you. They are not calling people like come for interview so that we will select whom we want. No, they're calling you because everybody has a chance. So your dream should be converting your best call. Think about that. Again, it comes back to my logic of you seeing what your destination is. Seeing what is in front of you, not seeing down as you swim. Look at your destination, swim. Alright? Next stage, you give all your interviews, results. Another 2-3 months, because especially if you are aiming at IIMs, my first interview started at Jan end, Feb first week. Then some interviews went till April because an Indian Institute of Management needs to interview entire India, right? So many colleges goes to the cities. It's not online anymore. COVID is done. So they need to travel. The same professors need to travel from city to city to select the best of the best into their college. So it does take time. So keep those 2-3 months, calm yourself. Your job is to prep, give interview, prep, give interview. And how to prepare yourself for interview. You have so much content. I myself am making so much content. Go to my channel, check it if you're not yet done that. Prepare yourself. Once interviews are done, goal again. You know if you have aced your interview, you will get a good college. Now see the next goal. How to convert your summer internships. Start prepping for that. If you're someone into finance, do some study on finance. Get your basics right. Get into the habit of studying. Do that, guys. Trust me. This process you keep following, you will get your dream company. You will get your dream BCG, Bain. You will get your dream Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, your HUL, PNG. Name the company, you will get it. Stay glued to the process. Look at the goal ahead. The process. Everybody, we are all in this together. Just when we reach the destination, how we reach the destination is the difference. So be the difference, make the difference, and at times it will be hard. I am here with you. Your parents are there with you. Your well-wishers are there with you. Your teachers, your gurus are there with you. Trust them and you'll get through it. Trust me. This is my way of telling. All the best to you guys. Love you guys. You're doing good. It's a pat on your back. You're doing really good. Each one of you seeing this video, and definitely you'll achieve your dreams. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Thank you and see you in the next video.